17 million years ago, in the woodlands of Argentina, a predator quietly moved closer to its prey. Its eyes were fixed on a small herbivore, Thoatherium, nibbling on bushes. But this was no ordinary predator. It was Arctodictis, a 2-meter-long marsupial that looked like an otter. Thoatherium, a small, half-meter-tall plant-eater, had no living descendants. If this were a nature documentary, we'd expect one of two things to happen. Thoatherium would either escape or be eaten. Since Thoatherium had horse-like legs, it might be able to run fast, but running in thick, brushy woodlands is hard. Running is great on open ground, but it's tricky in forests. Most animals with legs like Thoatherium's live in open grasslands, but grasslands didn't become common until around 5 million years ago, when they covered 30% of North America. Thoatherium lived 17 million years ago, long before grasslands were widespread. So, how did Thoatherium and its relatives survive in an environment that seemed to require adaptations for grasslands that didn't exist yet? Litopterna, the group Thoatherium belonged to, first appeared nearly 63 million years ago in South America. These animals were hoofed mammals with strange long legs and few toes. Early scientists thought these traits were just bizarre mutations, but later, they realized they were related to perissodactyls, which include horses, rhinos, and tapirs. These animals also have hooves and often odd numbers of toes. After a big asteroid wiped out the dinosaurs around 66 million years ago, perissodactyls spread across the northern hemisphere, while litopterns stayed in the south. Thoatherium was part of the Prototheriidae family, which is sometimes called false horses, because of its similar features to horses. Like horses, many of these animals had a single toe, or monodactyly, on each foot. Some had one toe, while others had 3, but used only the middle one for walking. This trend of losing toes started earlier in litopterns than in horses, who only lost their extra toes when grasslands started to spread. Why would an animal lose toes? One reason could be that having fewer toes helps with stability on hard, solid ground. When grasslands spread, the soil became firmer, and having fewer toes helped animals move more efficiently. Another reason might be that animals with fewer toes can move faster. This could explain why horses and litopterns evolved similar features. However, there's another theory, the body size hypothesis. Larger animals need stronger support to prevent their bones from snapping, and having fewer, stronger toes is better for that. Horses got bigger as they lost toes, but Thoatherium wasn't large. So, this theory doesn't explain everything. Thoatherium's teeth were better suited for eating leaves, not grass, and many of its bones are found in forests. How did it survive in grasslands if it didn't eat grass? The answer might lie in the landscape of Patagonia, where Thoatherium lived. This region had both forests and patches of grass, creating a mosaic landscape. Litopterns evolved in a place with both forests and grasslands, which was different from North America, where animals evolved in either grasslands or forests. Thoatherium may have lived in forests but had to cross grasslands to get to other forests for food and safety. Its body was built to move quickly over these grasslands, even though it